Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do the ICT Judas swing, give you guys examples and all of that. The ICT Judas swing is a swing trade strategy. It does work like 85 to 90% of the time, but in my opinion, I only take one Judas swing trade a week because I'm always able to see like one trade a week on this, to be honest. But that's one of the main reasons why it's a huge win rate. Otherwise, if you guys do it every day, it doesn't always give you opportunity because there's news in Asian session and news in London session. So basically, what this strategy is about is it's just the accumulation of the Asian session from, if you guys are in New York time, like Toronto, New York, US, I'm assuming it's from 8 p.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Asian session, and and basically you're trading after the accumulation of the Asian session into London, then into New York. Basically a swing trade. Whenever it hits your take profit, it can even hit your take profit right before London session. So I'm gonna show you guys how it all looks. So yeah, let's get started. So 4 key things you guys want to look at is daily bias. Now, the daily bias of Euro USD is bullish, so we're going to be looking to take long trades. If you guys can see, let me go to the daily, show you guys that we are at a bullish momentum. We're bullish, so we're taking bullish trades. So if we go down to the 1 minute again and zoom back in, you guys can see this is going bearish, but it's because it swept sell side, this and that. I'll tell you guys what all that means in a second. Another thing you guys want is this indicator called Asian Session Range by Rob Minty. Just search Asian Session Range. This one, Rob Minty. Click it, and it should give you everything is already set up for you guys. You guys don't have to tweak the settings. Don't touch the settings. Everything's already set up for you. So every day, or every time, you're gonna wake up at like 2 a.m. and that's when the Asian session finishes, and that's when you enter London session. You're going to look for a liquidity sweep, but first, before you do that, it automatically marks out liquidity zones, like the highest point and lowest point of Asian session. You guys are gonna ignore all these other like points of liquidity. You want the absolute liquidity level, which is up top here, and the lowest liquidity level, which is down here. Okay. So as you can see, price swept liquidity down here. Going into London session, price swept liquidity, and then we're going to look for a market structure shift or a change of character. Same thing. We're going to let this play out, and we're going to wait for a market structure shift. It's creating lower lows and lower highs. And there we go. We're in London session, and boom, there we go. We're in London session right now, and there was a market structure shift at around 3:03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this candle, because it broke over this market structure point, it failed to create a lower low. This black candle failed to create a lower low, and it just broke above, making this a market structure shift. Now we're going to look for a fair value gap. A fair value gap is simply just displacement, or it's three consecutive candles showing a gap in the market. Right now, we don't really have a fair value gap other than this one over here. This I doubt it would get tapped in, but if we keep on playing price, we're gonna see what happens. So because it didn't tap this fair value gap down here, we're going to find different points of fair value gaps. As you can see, there was a break of structure up here. This is a break of structure, and it created a fair value gap up top here. This is the only fair value gap in this move that got respected. So we're gonna mark this fair value gap out. this over here. As you can see, price came in, it tapped it, and went straight up. We would take our long position and put it to the opposite side liquidity all the way to the top here, and put the stop loss a little bit under, maybe in the middle of London session. Usually I put it in the middle of London session. But if it was down here, I'd put it under the recent swing point liquidity. But anyways, we're gonna let price play on and see what happens. It gave us a second chance. It almost stopped us out, and there we have it. Price is gonna keep going up. And as you guys might see, like, this is going to get into the New York session range, but we are already halfway. So these lines allow you to know what level you're at. I would take half my profit over here. I would take half my profit right here. So this is take profit 1, comes back down. We set our stop to break even. We still haven't got stopped out yet. It's continuing to go up. And all right, guys, so as you can see, it did reach up here. Sadly, not this liquidity point, and it stopped us out at break even. But usually what I like to do is I never, ever, ever, ever put my take profit on opposite liquidity, only because sometimes the market does shit like this. So I would put it on top of London session, or maybe like to this yellow level over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's this yellow level line right there. And basically that's my TP. This is an easy, oh my god, this is an easy. Let me drag this down for you guys. Drag this down, enter here. This was a 1 to 3 risk to reward. I've seen trades, I've seen people genuinely take like 1 to 7, 1 to 5, 1 to 6 risk to reward trades, and they completely make like 10 grand plus a day trading the Judas swing. Now this, again, like I said, this is a swing strategy, so you're going to have to wait a few hours, you know, until it hits your take profit. But you guys will see like consistent results, and you guys will see like results right away. As soon as the market starts moving, you'll be in profit. And make sure you guys set your stops properly, and you won't be taken out. And that's basically it. That's all of Judas Swing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.